Smart tips and tricks. Today's version is a venison smash burger, and you can use any wild game. You're not going to want to miss this. Hey, it's time for lunch, and today we're going to cook some venison burgers with some grilled onions, and I'm going to turn it over to Cuco to show you how to do it.
All right, guys, so we have our venison patties right there. We're using caramelized onions, arugula, mayo, tomatoes, onions. Simple burger, but it's going to be delicious.
Quick, easy burger that anybody can do at home.
Correct. It's delicious. It's just a different type of meat. But
And this obviously is a much leaner burger than you would if you're cooking ground beef.
correct. So we're going to start with our burgers right on the pan.
So just low butter in the pan and throw the burgers in.
Right. So we're gonna let them cook. I will take like a medium heat for about like 8 minutes in each side. So once it's done, we can start making our the whole burger.
Very good.
So right now we can flip this and look at the color.
Yeah, no, the color is outstanding.
And as I said, it's something
Nice and
different
crisp,
than
not burnt.
Right, and it's something different, you know, like people, most of the time they don't think about wild game meats. You know, they always think about like a beef or a turkey burger or something different.
This is going to be much better than an In-N-Out
Correct.
burger for sure. and you'd cook this same way, medium rare, depending on the person's
It's up to you,
taste.
yes. So you can cook it medium rare, medium. Some people like well done.
Well done.
How about you? How do you like
I
it?
like mine medium rare.
Medium rare. Okay, so
medium rare to medium. Yeah,
all right, so it's gonna take less time then.
You know, Cuco, we talked about earlier this being a wild game, but we cook wild game. If I want it medium rare, it's still red meat.
Correct.
So there's no health concerns. And I want everybody to understand that because there's a lot of misconception about wild game when you're cooking.
Right, that's it. So what we can do now, we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. We can butter our bun, like toast it a little bit. So we're gonna use a little bit of butter.
You know, this isn't your typical burger because it's much leaner, it's got good cholesterol, and it's much healthier than ground beef.
All right, so it's super good. So as you can see, toasty. We can add some mayo. You know, set it right here. Some lettuce.
All I'm looking for now after you put all the condiments on is a nice piece of venison burger. And I can't wait to bite into it.
Tomatoes.
Look at the presentation.
Caramelized onions. You can use raw onions as well, you know. This is just gonna give better taste to me. And
For all of you at home, you're missing out on this, and I can't wait to bite into it. And
all right, that's right.
you can do this at home for all your buddies. You're coming out of a deer stand. This is a great, easy fix for lunch.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and learned as much as I did. Make sure you like, subscribe, and remember, the full recipe is in the link below.